What is this? Are you recording?
You want me to take it out?
Please.
The recording, yes. I didn't see that part.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Agbastieli.
Hi.
So you're telling me that you have a lawyer?
Yeah.
Who is your lawyer?
Attorney Rehan.
Who is it?
Rehan?
Let's see if they filed it. Do you know if this person is going to show up today?
Yeah, he's
Okay. We're just going to do probable cause now.
Okay, time out. Unlawful restraint? That's not just a dramatic phrase. It's a serious misdemeanor. In Texas, it means intentionally holding someone against their will. The judge isn't just listing charges here. She's laying down the legal battlefield. Would you be calm in that moment? Comment below, fight, or freeze.
You now are charged with unlawful restraint. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews if you cannot afford a lawyer. A lawyer will be appointed to represent you. We will do this now. And then after that, we will just have you wait right over there for your lawyer to come. Hopefully they will show up. Okay.
Thank
I
you,
love
Your
it. Good morning.
On August 5th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a hostage event at a townhouse in Harris County, Texas. The reporting, who is the project manager of the townhouse complex, called 911. The reporting indicated that the defendant was wearing an all-black religious garment and had a face mask. She had mocked one of his employees, claiming that this inside a townhouse against him.
Wait a second. Turning off the tenant's power and water to force them out? That's not just petty. That's potentially illegal. This is the kind of landlord-tenant warfare that ends up in front of a judge, not on Judge Judy. What would you do if someone tried to push you out this way? Drop your escape plan in the comments.
Well, the reporting advised the defendant was trying to evict a witness, or trying to get a witness to self-evict. She was trying to get the witness, who is her tenant in the townhouse, to self-evict by shutting down the power and water to the unit repeatedly. The complaining witness, who was in maintenance man for the townhouse complex, went to go check on the tenants to see if they were okay. The reportee indicated that the defendant locked the steel gate, which would not allow the complaining witness to leave. A key lock on the front, a key lock on the back side. The tenant did not have the key to the back side of it, so if she locks the front, there's no way to pass through the gate.
Okay, so the unlawful restraint is
Yes, Your Honor.
outside?
It's a gate, and then like the gate in the porch, on the porch, like a burglar gate.
Okay, so I'm assuming, so here's the door, and then you have, I guess what, like those black burglar bars.
Yes, Your Honor.
So he couldn't get into the house,
Couldn't get out of the house.
and he couldn't
She
get
locked
out,
him in the house without electricity or air conditioning.
and no back door to get out, no window. I don't understand.
We're getting there, Your Honor. When officers arrived, they spoke with the complaining witness, who said that he escaped 5 minutes prior, and the defendant and the witness were still inside the home. The complaining witness reported the house was really hot because the air conditioning wasn't on. The complaining witness stated the back patio door was also locked, and the defendant had locked him in. The defendant had made a motion at the time to rehearse, which the complaining witness believed, or which made the complaining witness believe that she had a gun. The witness collaborated the complaining witness's story. And
I don't understand how this person cannot just unlock the door and leave from.
It was locked. It's so the doors, instead of having a push button on one end and then a key lock on both sides.
Quick legal nugget. Key locks on both sides of a door? That's not just weird, it's likely a violation of the fire code. Courts take stuff like that seriously. Plus, it adds a new layer to the restraint charge. Now the drama isn't just emotional, it's architectural.
On the other side, it's a key lock on both sides.
On both sides?
That's the word, Your Honor, which the complaining witness indicated was a violation of the fire code.
Well, that's neither here nor there, but doesn't this person have a master key? Or I guess this is a residence, right?
He doesn't have a master key, Your Honor. He's maintained for like the condo association. So he maintains the condo. Each of the units has its own keys.
How long was allegedly stuck in the house, and how did he get out? This is unusual. And why? Was there did this, I guess...
He was attempting to turn the power and water back on in the unit because she has been repeatedly turning off the power for tenants who live there. Told her repeatedly that he wanted to leave.
So presumably she's outside at this time?
She's in there with him, Your Honor. She asked him to sit down on the chair. There's a video that shows complainant asking defendant to let him go multiple times, and with her telling the complainant to shut up. I don't have the means by which he had left the apartment, Your Honor. I just know that he got out at some point. He got out 5 minutes before the officers arrived.
So he was able to leave 5 minutes before the officers arrived?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did she let him go?
So it says, for the OR at least, the duration of time, I don't know if that's an hour and 20 minutes. I'm gonna see how he left. I'm trying to read the OR since your questions, Judge.
I'd like, I don't know if I'm ready to rule yet. Miss Albasielli, are you sure that you're going to have a lawyer here today? Because I'd like to hear your side.
Attorney Graham.
I don't want to rule just yet, but I'd like to hear your side. If there's...
I'd like to be silent. I'd like to wait on my lawyer.
Well, right, and I'm not asking you to say anything now. When that person gets here, then you talk with them, and then we can
Yeah, sure.
readdress
Yes, sir.
piece of
Yes, sir.
that. So, do you mind just taking a seat?
Right. Here's a perfect example of courtroom patience. The judge could rule on probable cause but holds off, showing that she wants to hear both sides. This is how real justice works. No gavel slams, no yelling, just due process. Refreshing, right?
For me, and then just giving us a heads up when your lawyer comes. Come, Miss Albasielli, come up, ma'am.
I explained to her the no conflict here.
Okay, thank you. Okay,
Go ahead.
for now, I am going to find that there's probable cause to go forward. If something develops in the future